Bring out your dead!
He's not dead yet.
I'm not dead yet.
There we go. All right. Welcome everybody. It looks like standing room only. There is one seat up front, center. We'll worry about that later. But welcome all to tonight's lineup. First off, wonderful pizza and stuff brought to us by Kforce.
All right.
And then of course our speaker made it all the way from
Huntington Beach.
right.
All right.
John Clingan. What's new in Java 8? Okay, first timers. Anybody new? Okay, thank you. Yes, there's a lot of people here. So it's not just to call you out that you're a first timer amongst all the old timers, but all the old timers know our mission statement. So the first timers are get to say, hey, here's our mission statement. Why do we come here except for the fabulous food, camaraderie, and networking opportunities to come later? But to talk about Java in the San Diego area, what kind of technology is going on? What's happening at your company? Can you share what's happening at your company? Come and talk. So, but, just sort of promote that and keep it going month to month. We've been doing it for quite some time. By the way, I'm Paul Weber. Been doing the Java user script for quite some time. I think it's the next slide. Yeah, since 2001. At any rate, become a member, sign up at the Yahoo group. It's just basically an email thing. If you want to email a question to the group at large, by all means do so. You'll probably get quite a few responses. A lot of the guys from around town have been in Java for a long time. Monitor the group and like to talk about it. The other aspects that I'm helping out as a member is coming up with speakers. So every month I sometimes have to scramble for a speaker. Thank John for being available on a very short notice. Other times, as you'll see coming up, we've got a schedule for the summer months. It's already full up. But events do happen, speakers do cancel out. So if you have a topic, a project that you have and you would like to talk about, dust it off a little bit, take a look, and let me know. And I can call upon you on short notice, or we could plan you for the month of September. So either way, it's good stuff. Sponsorship is another aspect. Very thankful to Kathy, Kforce, to sponsoring us again. We try to rotate through the agencies around town or the companies that will present. Large companies come and present and they'll sponsor us also. On the rare occasion, like next month, one of our own, Ruel Valpo, will be presenting. So we're going to very cool. And of course, he runs his own one-man shop. He's also teaching kids programming, but very little on the cash flow from his perspective. So we would need to find a sponsor for him. Got a sponsor for Calcio on their Time project already. We swapped out at the beginning of the year when we needed a sponsor, so we'll have somebody else sponsor for Calcio. We're Willie and Dilly and pizza here. And then Tyler Jewell of Code Indy is going to come up to us in the hot month of July talking about writing Java fast. Should be interesting. Has anybody heard of Code Indy? Okay, all right, cool. Coming up at the end of June is one of my pet projects, the 7th annual Thomas Robotic Competition. Put it on at Balboa Park, H. Freed Center. It's mainly for kids learning how to program robots, autonomous guys. We usually use a Mindstorm or a Android-operated Roomba I created. So they have to navigate a few challenges. One of the biggest ones is running through a maze and solving it, and running down the one true path within a 20-minute time period. We only had one team do that in the 6 years it's been going on, and they've actually grown up with the program, so it's pretty interesting. The teams also include adults. If you want to participate, it's more for show and or maybe not showing off. We've never had an adult team actually place. Yeah, the kids show them up quite a bit. Now is the time when I open it up for a word from our sponsor. We'd like to say a few words.
How you doing? Good afternoon. I'm Steve with Kforce. I'm the market manager at our Kforce office here in UTC. These are some of my team members here. And Kathy, who's one of the strategic directors there, and Wylander, who's one of our recruiters. And standing by the door is Aaron, who's one of our other recruiters. I think he's trying to get that key. But anyway, we've been around here in San Diego for the last 40 plus years. Kforce is a 50-plus-year-old company. We do solutions. Some of you have worked with us in the past. I recognize a lot of you faces, and there's a lot of new faces here. So I thank you for the time. If you have any questions about opportunities or things you'd like to talk about with us, definitely feel free to hit us up. There are some brochures on this table here by the tripod. If you'd like to know more about us, I put those on there for you guys. And yeah, there you go. Hold that up for me, please. I don't think that. You get it on retainer. Anyway, thank you. So if you have any questions, definitely feel free to contact us. I'm not going to take up much of your time because you guys got stuff to do. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
And now part of the networking aspect of the Java Users Group is to ask if there's anyone looking for work, or is there anyone looking for workers? Since I know somebody who's looking for workers, I'll introduce the guys. Is Tom here? Okay.
Hi, my name is Tom Vu. I'm with Thermo Fisher Scientific, which is formerly Life Technologies in Carlsbad. I'm the director for the e-commerce, the web team. So I'm looking for Java developers, and I'll be honest, I'm not here for the Java 8. Matt stand out. Matt is the Java developer on my team, a brilliant developer. He's great. So you can ask him questions, but I'm actually looking for a few positions. Like an architect / tech lead position that I need to find immediately, and then a few Java positions also. So if you're interested in a job, if you're really smart, you want to work hard, work for a great company, a biotech company, or you have a friend or anyone that's interested, definitely talk to me. Unfortunately, we can't stay, but I have a stack of business cards. I have my email address and my cell phone number. Just promise me don't prank call me in the night. I get those a lot. So again, if you're interested, or if you think about it, or you really have a friend, I would love to send out my business card. But we are really looking for one. Real good. Tell them how great of a boss I am.
So Tom's a good guy, but yeah, we do a lot of business through our e-commerce channel, so it's not a little site. It's pretty complex, so it's a good challenge. If you guys enjoy challenges, it's really worth looking into. So.
And not sure you heard, but we're so now we're up at 16 billion revenue, over 50,000 employees, Fortune 200, and our e-commerce channel, we do over $1 billion in e-commerce. So we got like search engine, CQ, e-commerce, .NET. So it's a pretty complex BB channel. We see a lot of good stuff. So it's pretty complex and it's a good opportunity. So is there anyone that's looking for a job that's interested? I'm gonna leave some business cards here. Thank you very much.
So I have another job.
Okay, please, the hiring manager.
Peter Rose from San Diego Supercomputer Center. We run the protein data bank at UCSD. If you don't know what a protein is, it looks like this. It's 3D object. So we have mobile apps, but mostly we're looking for somebody to help with our web resource. We have about 300,000 users worldwide. We're looking for a senior Java web developer who has experience with both database design, the middle layer, hopefully also some experience in the front end, some JavaScript development. So somebody who is well-rounded, all around. So I think we are an exciting place to work for. We do everything ourselves, all the way from hardware to the software, including hosting the site 24/7. So it's a small team, we're 8 people, and it's a fun environment. And if you're interested to work in a university environment, there are lots of opportunity to learn new things. So let me know, maybe in the break, I have a job description here if you're interested.
Very good, thank you.
Dr. Rose is my boss. He's the best boss that we have.
Okay, is there any other hiring managers or job opportunities?
Yeah, I'm also hiring a couple of very large healthcare clients. Are looking for a mid-level and a senior Java developer. And just so everyone knows, the healthcare vertical in San Diego is actually the fastest growing industry. So, want to stabilize your career.
She's telling the truth.
What do you call those pats on the back?
I don't work for her.
Testimonials.
Other way around.
Is there anyone else hiring? It's a good crowd to be looking for people. Now, the big question I know it was asked earlier. Who all is looking for work or looking to change out?
Tim Scribner, I'm looking for work as a software development manager. My background is J2EE, mainly back-end work, formerly with Mitchell International.
With Mitchell?
Yes.
Okay, great. Anyone else? Brave enough. It's really a community. All right, great.
Hey, Paul, can I throw in another robotics announcement?
Yes, please.
Thursday morning at 7:30 to 9 at UCSD Extension's University City site, which is the big green Intuit building. It used to be Intuit, off of 805. There is a panel, robotics panel. It is free. Breakfast is included. And they will have someone from United Technologies, someone from UCSD Surgery talking about Leonardo, presumably, and someone from, I think, Qualcomm.
Okay.
So details from that, if anybody wants to know about that, as I say, it's free, comes to me.
All right, thank you very much. Any other announcements? Last call. Cool.
Yeah, we're selling books. Brand
Thank you, Nestor. We actually did, John brought in a bunch of books for us. So that was, so our library is now a little bit fuller off than the one book a month I've been getting. But please, if, I think what, 5 people have signed up?
6.
6 people.
Chances are better.
It's a 50, we're giving away 3 books tonight. It is the winner's choice of which book, first come, first served. It still works. Okay, so, John, product manager from Oracle.
I can do introductions.
Okay. Then I'll do the final slide here. Thank you to Council for having us in your space very much. Yeah, Council sets up the chairs and they also take out the trash. It's very nice that they're doing that for us, giving us a space to do that. Now I'll turn it over to John. Sure. Oh, and please make sure your cell phones are on stun, vibrate mode, silent. I'll be tweeting during the celebration.
And no snoring allowed.
Yes, no snoring.
The